INC Kesari has recently delivered food aid and defense aid to which country? Mozambique. Which country has recently launched the Zircon hypersonic missile system? Russia. Which Union Ministry launched the SOSTAR rating protocol of garbage free cities toolkit 2022? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The Reserve Bank of India has recently extended the tokenization rule till which date? June 30, 2022. Which state has topped the composite ranking in the Good Governance Index 2021? Gujarat. Who among the following has won 2021 National Billiards title? Pankaj Advani. Which cricket team has won their first ever Vijay Hazare Trophy in 2021? Himachal Pradesh. Who has authored a new book titled The Modi Gambit Decoding Modi 2.0? Sanju Verma. Who has been honored with the Global Environment and Climate Action Citizen Award 2021? Viral Sudhirbhai Desai. Which of the following has launched a contemporary messaging application named Asigma? Indian Army. Where is the Indian International Science Festival to be held on from December 10th, 2021? Goa. What is the new deadline for implementation of Smart City Mission? Two 2023. Sandhyak first indigenous large survey vessel was launched by which company? Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. The 2021 Edan Prize, which was awarded recently, is associated with which field? Education. Which country announced a diplomatic boycott of 2022 Winter Olympic in China? US. Which airlines is said to be the first to use sustainable aviation fuel? British Airways. Engineer Conservation Week is observed every year in which month? December. Jahang Jahan, who was seen in the news, is associated with which field? Journalism. Convoke 2021-2022 is a national level symposium launched by which institution? Niti Aayog. Operation Devi Shakti, an operation of the Indian Armed Force, is associated with evacuating people from which country? Afghanistan. Which institution released the Tracking Universal Coverage 2021 Global Monitoring Report? Who? India's first green hydrogen microgrid project is to come up in which state? Andhra Pradesh. Under the experiment named Micro Edge to be launched on SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, which thing is said to be launched to space? Human cell. Panex 21 is a transnational exercise associated with which association? BIMSTEC. Research from MIT Hub developed a new rechargeable battery using which material? Fabric. Radio Ujala Punjab is the radio channel of which central jail? Ludhiana Central Jail. Which institution has partnered with UNA World Food Programme to diversify the food basket? Niti Aayog. Which country recently launched the Inmarsat A6F1 satellite? Japan. Which country has conducted a nuclear fusion experiment towards creation of an artificial sun? China. Shenzhou 13 mission is associated with which country? China.